Hi, I'm Sammy. Hi, I'm Lulu. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have Lost Kitties and Squishamals.
That's right, girls. We have these really cute Squishamals, and we also picked up these Lost Kitties at Walmart. Now, these are super cute, guys, and let's see what they come with. There's actually 36 of these to collect, and they include Lost. Whoops, sorry, guys. And they include Lost Kitties figure, 2 accessories, shaping compound, a meme sticker, and a collector's sheet. So are you girls ready? Okay, girls, are we gonna review these first, or do you want to do the Lost Kitties?
I think.
Okay, now these here, I believe we found at Target, right? Now this belongs to you, this one belongs to you, and the unicorn one we actually got for Lily for her birthday. Because we were able to find it when we were shopping for her birthday stuff. So girls, what do you think about these?
I love them. This one is squishier than this one.
And what else? What else?
They smell so good.
They definitely smell
And
good.
they're
They
really
smell
squishy
sweet,
and
right? And they're
soft.
really squishy. Let's see. Guys, look at these.
It's like a slow ride.
They're
like
really cute, and they're really squishy and
soft.
They definitely smell good. Let's see that one there.
Really soft.
Awesome. And let's see yours. Which one's yours?
Super duper soft.
Okay, guys, so the Squishamals here are scented, and this one is called Pip, and it's a panda. The one that Lily has over here is, well, not that one, this one here is Lulu. Okay.
Uma.
And we have Uma here, and Uma is the unicorn.
And Uma is from Descendants, my favorite character.
Yeah.
And I have Uma doll.
You sure do. All right, girls. So, do you think your friends should go out and collect these?
Yes.
I think so, because they smell really good and they're pretty. They're very pretty. All of them are very soft and squishy. All right, so we're going to put these to the side, and we are going to open up our Lost Kitties. I'm curious to see what these look like. Yes, and I believe they said there's 36 of them to collect.
Ooh.
So let's see. Let's see how it looks.
It looks like a unicorn.
All right, so here we go. The first thing we find is the checklist. So let's get that out.
Ooh. It's like pink. Get out. What color is yours?
Uh-oh. You having difficulties, ladies?
I got white.
Now these are the series 1, and again there's 36 of them to collect in 2018. Look how cute these guys are. Okay, that's pink, and let's see how it comes. Okay, so then, and it does, and yours is white. We have a pink. Does it feel like kinetic sand? Is it kinetic sand, or is it more like Play-Doh?
It's Play-Doh.
Okay. Now it does say that the shaping compound should be stored in an airtight container, which is not included to prevent it from drying out. So while we pull this out, there you go, take your time, and don't forget you have 2 accessories in there, so make sure you pull the accessories out.
That's cool.
Is it?
Because I love Lego.
Let's see how this feels. But yeah, guys, this actually feels like Play-Doh. Yep, it definitely feels like Play-Doh.
What is that?
Now let's see. Let's clean it off. So this looks like your accessory. What is this? A bottle, you think? Yeah, it looks like a bottle of hot sauce. It has a little jalapeno on it.
What is this?
Yeah, let's see what that is.
It's like one of those mouses.
Oh, yeah, it definitely is. It's a computer mouse. Oh, that's so cute. All right, do you have any of your clues yet? Let's see. This is really cool and fun to play with, but again, kids, this does not go in your mouth. Exactly, it is not edible. If you have little brothers or sisters under the age of 5, you do not let them play with this because they could put it in their mouth.
Lily got her first accessory.
And let's see what you have, Lily. Let me see.
That looks like a top.
It looks like a spinning top. It definitely does. Let's see. Yep.
And I got my sticker.
Oh. Okay. And what is your second accessory? Now this is Sammy's sticker. It says, "We needs more milk."
My kitty cat.
All right. Now what is this?
It's some bread.
Bread. It does look like it could be bread.
Hey.
Alrighty. And now you have it. You should have a sticker, and you should also have a blind bag that has your kitty in it. All right, let's see, Lily. Come on. Just put all your here. Put all this together so you don't make a mess. Okay. And let's see. Your sticker says, what is that? All right. Let's see what you've got, girls. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited to open it?
So little.
It's so cute. Look, he's
Is
got
that the one
glasses
that you-
on.
Is that the one that you want? Oh, it's on the sticker.
He's on your sticker, and you have Professor Perkins. Let's see. Well, these are actually cute, and they're a nice size. Oh, look at him. So he's from the Working It group. There you go, and let's see which one Lily has.
Oh, I got big eyes.
Oh, he's a scaredy cat. Look at them eyes. Oh,
No,
look at
he's
the-
not. That's my kitty. He's
Well,
not scary cat.
that's the group he's in, Scaredy Cat, and his name is Bex. All right, girls, these are super cool, aren't they?
We switch colors.
You switched them? Or you switch what, the Play-Doh, or yeah, I would say it's called shaping compounds, but again, it is very close, and it feels just like Play-Doh. So
Is it?
it is,
Play-Doh?
yeah. No, well, it's just Play-Doh is just the name of it. It's actually, you know what it feels like, guys? You know the molding clay that we use when we do the slime, the fluffy slime.
Oh.
That's what it feels like. It's exactly like that. So.
But Play-Doh.
Mhm. All right, girls. So what do you think about this new item? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You think people should go out and buy them?
I'm really thirsty. That's all I am.
You're thirsty. How's your throat? You feel better?
They're just so tiny.
Okay, girls. Well, thank you so much. And again, let me ask you a question. Do you think your friends should go out and try these and pick these up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it's not to eat.
Definitely not to eat. Make sure you keep this away from the little ones. We will definitely make sure we keep it away from Jaden. And girls, put your accessories away so you don't lose them. You can actually put it back in the box, but we will find a container with a lid to put this in so that it doesn't go bad, or maybe even a Ziploc bag. All right, girls. So
Thanks for watching. Put a thumb up, like the video. Subscribe, like, and ring the comments. Bye.